Hello, Sudoku friends, welcome back. Yes, this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Tuesday, March the 2nd, 2021. We have in this additional a Sudoku with 1 star, a Sudoku with 2 stars, a Sudoku with 3 stars, a Sudoku with 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, binary number 1, and a binary number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus, but I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. The 3 stars, the 4 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary I will solve. If there are any requests, you can place a comment. Maybe I will solve that puzzle. But first we solve this baby number 2405. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27. Correct me if I'm wrong. You can count this, but no, not 27, 25. Yes, correction, 25 printed digits. The 3 stars has always 25. The 1 star, 27. The 2 stars, 26. And the 4 stars, this one has 24 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. A lot of threes, so let me start with a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 1? 1 in the first column, third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Yeah. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, alright. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes here. 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then I believe I cannot continue with the 6. What a pity. Well. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, so no 6 there. Here I saw a 6, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Alright, so we have a 6 in this row, 6 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, only two places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 6 here. Need to wait. Need to wait. This row, yeah, 4 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this big square. So no 4 and a 7 in those two boxes. So the 4 and the 7 goes in these two boxes. We see there 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes. That means the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. 8 and 5. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. It's a pair. That means the other pair in the last row should be for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9 are missing. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. 2, 8. Okay. Let me see. 9. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these three boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So remind this, because we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row. So no 9 in this box. One box left for the 9. Should be there. Alright. And now 2, 4, 8. Yes, 3 missing numbers. In the middle a row. Those numbers are the 2 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. And look, we have a 4 and an 8 here. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and the 8 goes in those two boxes. The 4 and the 8. So one digit left. Should be the 2. Alright. 2, 4, 8. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this should be a 9. Alright. Alright. So two numbers left now in this column. For the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes. 7 and 5. Alright. 7 and 5. 2. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, so no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. The 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Yeah. Then 7, 5. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 7 and a 5 here. So no 7 and 5 in this box. The 7 and 5 goes in those two boxes, 7 and 5. So one digit left should be the 2. Alright. The 2, 7 and 5. Remind this for later. How about this box in this column? The middle column, one missing number. In the middle column for the number 4. Yes. About the 4 in this big square. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in those two boxes. Therefore, no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in those two boxes. Here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. One box left in the middle row for the number 8. 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. 5 and 9 are missing. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes, so no 9 in this box. So 9 goes there, and the 5 goes here. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 6, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. Alright. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Then. I've marked those two boxes with a 2 and a 5. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. 7, 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 and 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 3, the 8, and the 9. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9. And look, we have a 3 and an 8 here, so no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those. So one digit left should be the 9. Alright. So this can be a 9. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9, alright. 2 numbers left in the second column, the 8 and the 3. 8 and the 3 are missing, and look, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in the third row for the number 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 7. Alright, 2 numbers left in the first row for the number 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes here. Alright, so we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so in the last column. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. All right. Great 3 stars Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And in a minute I will continue with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku, this one. So prepare for that one. And I hope it's a really 4-star Sudoku, because a 4-star Sudoku I need 30 minutes or more to solve. So see you later. Bye bye for now.